Hi, I'm Raylene with Roots Restored Wellness. A question I get asked a lot is, what is a group quantum healing session? I know this may sound intimidating, but it's absolutely not. Just follow these simple steps and you will be on your way. With group sessions, you sign up for one person, pet, or property per session. So if you want to sign up, you and your child, you would sign up for 2 sessions. Make a note of your name in one sign up and your child's name in another. I do work on animals, and for my entity session, I also work on properties. If you have a property that's giving you problems, you can sign up the property for that session. I must have permission to work on you or the person that you sign up. If you have children under the age of 18, you are allowed to consent for them, or if you are the primary caregiver for someone, you may also sign them up. Otherwise, I need written permission, or please obtain verbal permission before signing someone up for sessions. Thank you. I understand that you may have the best interests of your loved ones in mind, and of course we all want them to get help, but I will not violate free will. I have to honor that, and I ask you to honor their free will as well in their healing journey, however it may look, and it may not be the way that you want it to look. But by choosing healing for yourself, those around you may choose to start asking you questions about why you're different and what you're doing, and that will open a door for you to share about this work if you feel like they would benefit from it. If you're not sure what session to choose, I offer free assessments. You can sign up for this on my website. You can leave it blank and I will ask your body in a general way what sessions are top priority for you at this moment, or if you have some specific health goals that you want addressed, make a note of those and I will ask your body, based on what you mentioned, what would be most helpful for you. Group sessions do not happen during the time scheduled on my website. I have a very flexible schedule, but they will happen during the day that they are scheduled, usually at night. So all you have to do is sign up, and then when I finish the session, I will email you very detailed notes of just a few of the things that I released in your session. The notes are quite interesting to read. They are not individualized. They are group session notes, so I'm working on a group of people all at once. So you can expect the notes to read something like this. 100% of participants had this imbalance. 22% of participants experienced this. If you want to make the notes individualized, what I suggest doing is learning how to muscle test. I have a free 10-minute basic muscle testing video available on YouTube, or if you want to get really in depth with muscle testing, I have an advanced muscle testing class available for purchase on my website. And then what I encourage clients to do is print off the notes if you feel led, and then use muscle testing to ask, was I included in what was released here? So if it was that 22% had this imbalance, you could muscle test and say, was I included in that 22%? Nope. Okay, so that wasn't me. If you were, you can take a highlighter and highlight all the areas, and then you have individualized notes that are just for you. And I love, even though it says group, you are not sitting in an awkward group staring at people, looking at them. No one knows that you signed up except for me. And when I send out notes, no one will know any personal information about you from the notes that I send. They're all encrypted, encoded, shielded, and I never list names, even when I'm doing my issue-specific session where I work on individual issues, and I do give some personal notes sometimes, but no one will ever be able to know it's you. The way that I shield my sessions, none of your energy will be exchanged with anyone else's, so they are technically private group sessions, and I say group session because I'm working on more than one person at a time. Thus, with this setup, group sessions are so simple. You simply sign up and then go about your day. You don't need to do anything else but allow the energy to flow through your body, be open to receive what is being sent to you, and it makes it so easy. Once you sign up for a session, you will be sent a video link that gives some more information about things that I may address or clear in the session. Your session is not limited to what I mentioned in the video, as I work organically with each group, and so what I find may be completely different than some of the things I mentioned in the video, but I wanted you to have a more personal touch to the group sessions, and that is why I recorded the videos. If you want more information about them before signing up, the videos are available for anyone to watch on all the different topics that I offer sessions on my YouTube channel, which is Roots Restored Wellness. Most group sessions are offered on a rotating basis between every 1 to 2 months. Some may be only offered once or twice a year. When it comes to energy of supplement sessions, I offer this on a different topic each week. It is rare for me to repeat the topic unless I have enough interest. So be sure to check those out. And those energy of supplement sessions are sessions you do not need to repeat. Once that energy is added into your body, it is always there for utilization. Your body's ability to utilize those may decrease over time, and I do have a session for that called Utilizing Nutrients and Supplements. So keep that in mind when looking at the sessions. And for energies of supplements, the different dates are listed on my website under that topic with the different sessions. Lately I've been working a lot on blood, kidneys, liver. I do some energies of crystals with that, so we have fun. If you have a suggestion, please let me know. I love your feedback and working on sessions that are of interest to you. Once I complete a session for you, I will email you detailed notes. And these notes are also available on Facebook, Roots Restored Wellness, and Telegram. My Telegram channel is t.me/Roots Restored Wellness. And you can check out some of the interesting findings that I found and released for you during your session. I really love group quantum healing sessions because they are very cost effective. Thus, it's easy to sign up for 2 or 3 sessions or more if you choose per week. It's easy to sign up your children. You don't have to be at an appointment at a specific time. I know we're all very busy, and I do my sessions at night. A lot of the time, most of my clients are sleeping, which when you're in that relaxed state, it's awesome. Your body just is kind of surrendering to the process. Thank you so much today for joining me to learn about group quantum healing sessions. If you are not sure what quantum healing is, be sure to check out my video on what is quantum healing. And you can always join me every Monday at 1:30 Mountain Standard Time on Facebook, where I do live quantum healing, talk about some of the sessions I'm offering that week, and some of the information that I'm finding in the energetic field in regard to the shifting times that we are in. And I love to answer your live questions during that video too. So I hope that you'll join me. And I have a really interactive, beautiful Telegram channel that is open for you to ask questions, share important information that you're learning, or just you can come along and view the information without commenting. But we get a lot of wonderful people in there that are different types of healers. They have different backgrounds and different skills. And I share group notes there, updates on what I'm finding around like with solar energy and other various topics. So if you want more in-depth interactive information, feel free to join us in Telegram. And I will include the links below in this video if you're watching on YouTube. So thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I'm so grateful for everyone who trusts me to work with them. And I am honored to share my healing gift with all those who are willing to receive it.